Aerobatic team, the Red Arrows. Reds 4 and 5 pitching up to roll back there into a shape called Apollo, and I'll talk more about Apollo later. As the canopies come towards, boys and girls, arms in the air, lots and lots of waving. And we fly the majority of our formations with the odd-numbered pilots on the left-hand side. Coming left now. Well, this year is the 70th anniversary of Operation Chastise, which was the famous... Another big wave, boys and girls. On the leader's right wing now, protect the airspace of the UK and the Falkland Islands. One of our pilots is a former Typhoon pilot. In the middle of the left-hand wing as we look tail on is the last of our first-year pilots. That's Red 5, Flight Lieutenant Steve Morris.